When we think of the stock market, we often picture fast-paced trading, unpredictable volatility, and then constant chase for the next big thing. But behind the choice are individuals who mastered the market not by luck, but through discipline, strategy, and vision. These investors didn't just make money, they changed the way we understand investing forever. Warren Buffett, often called Oracle of Omaha, is arguably the most successful stock market investor of all time. Starting from humble beginnings, Buffett followed the principle of value investing, buying undervalued stock with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long term. He famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." His approach, patience, consistency, and understanding a business before investing, Buffett didn't chase trends. He wanted for the right opportunities, even if it took years. Another legendary investor is Peter Lynch, the former manager of Fidelity Magellan Fund. Under the leadership, the fund averaged a 29% annual return over 13 years. Lynch believed in investing in what you know. If you notice a product or service gaining popularity, that might be your edge. He encouraged everyday investors to pay attention to trends around them, restaurants, store brands people love, and use that insight before Wall Street caught on. Then there's Benjamin Graham, often called the father of value investing and the mentor to Warren Buffett. Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor, remains one of the most influential investment books ever written. He introduced the concept of margin of safety and believed that the market often overreacts, creating opportunities for savvy investors to buy low and sell high. His philosophy was rooted in logic and the fundamentals, not hype. Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, took a different approach. Dalio believes in radical transparency and understanding economy cycles. His principles book became a bestseller and it's used by investors worldwide. Dalio's investment strategy is based on diversification, risk parity, and a deep understanding of macroeconomy trends. He builds a strategy that balances risk across different asset classes, making his firm one of the most successful hedge funds in history. Let's not forget Cathie Wood, who disrupted traditional investing with her bold bets on innovation. As the founder of ARK Invest, she focused on disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence, genomics, and electrical vehicle. While controversial, her high conviction approach inspired a new generation of investors to embrace growth and the future. What makes these investors stand out is not just their returns, it's their mindset, long term thinking, risk management, research, emotional control. They each had a unique style, but they all shared one thing in common: they had a strategy and they stuck to it.